it's Gina with WTI. I am a crazy cat lady and I'm always looking for the best food for my little fur baby, Elsie. Not only does she love to gobble up this Rachael Ray Nutrish dry cat food, but I also know that it is really good for her. Some things about this particular formula that I think are outstanding are that it has real turkey in it, real superfoods like chickpeas that have prebiotics and support healthy digestion, and salmon. So my cat, like all cats, I'm sure, just loves fish and poultry, and whenever I pour this into her bowl, she cannot get there quick enough. This has high quality ingredients in it. My cat has tolerated the switch to it just fine. I think she might have a stomach of steel actually, and it has really good vitamins in it, so I know she's getting the nutrition that she needs to live a healthy life. I'm really pleased, and so is my cat, with this cat food, and that's our point of view.